So what I did on this one is I actually used the pre-existing bolts or holes, but I only added a couple screws. That way it's stiff. But anyway, that's how it looks like. Exception to two little screws right here. I wasn't looking forward to punching a hole, but only two, it'll do. Anyway, that's how it looks like from the bottom. There you go. You can use our existing bolt or screw and put some additional screw for reinforcement. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, thumbs if you can, please sub if you can, and God bless. Bye.